Once again, I have a suit on, boy.
I always have suit on. It's classy.
You look nice in a suit. Hey,
I always look nice,
you look
man.
nice in a suit.
No.
Oh, wow.
I know. Stop.
Oh, wow.
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 Oh, wow.
Okay, do we look good? What did you think?
Don't put that.
You're right, gonna put you saying don't put it in bloopers, and I'll be like, what did he say?
Hey, Jack.
The cat just puked.
Man, that was gross. Like leaves in
Puked
it.
all over the basement. I had to clean it up, and it's stinky.
Yeah.
Simon doesn't clean anything up.
No, I don't know how to clean. I honestly don't clean anything.
No, you don't.
No.
Are
That's
you
not what the
recording?
video's about. Yeah.
No,
No.
it's kind of okay.
All right.
Is OBS recording? Jack's like, oh, BS.
Get that name and everything.
Jack's our cat. You know, we're making jokes about John Bernthal, but you don't have to say his name. We all know he's my dad's side.
We can edit out.
No big deal. He's my dad.
We're brothers. He'd be my dad too.
Big deal.
You.
Look at my face in all these thumbnails. Chica draw. And there's Connor McDavid. Okay.
This is a rough joke.
Don't call it rough.
It's rough. This is by me, obviously.
Let's go.
Can you guys see my wisdom teeth? Oh, I have. Oh, yeah. That one needs out pretty bad.
I got attacked by a mosquito today.
I didn't. I caught one though.
I kept
midair.
swatting it down, but it kept getting
And then I
away.
was like,
and our dogs
then
were
it-
like trying to catch it in our mouth.
they're just like,
Okay, next joke.
let's.
Jack! The cat just threw up. Now he's disturbing our video.
Knock it off, Jack.
Oh, he sneezed!
Oh, he sneezed.
No, we can't yell at Jack. Hey, Jack.
Hey, Jack, come here.
Pick him up.
Should I?
He's a pretty violent cat.
He just puked.
We're kind of scared of
I
him.
don't want to touch his stomach.
You see, he always sleeps in the basement, and we record in the basement, so we kind of invade his home. He's plotting... Ah! He almost bit Simon. He's plotting an attack. He's gonna kill us all in his sleep. In his sleep.
In his sleep.
In
I
our
don't
sleep.
doubt it though.
Okay. So I was in Indigo today, and I was looking at the World of Ice and Fire.
Yeah.
And I was looking at the Lands of Ice and Fire. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a 24 by 36 inch map.
Okay.
We're gonna hang it back there, and it's just gonna be like our backdrop.
But there's not enough titties in it.
In the map?
Yeah. There's not enough titties.
What map do you prefer?
Titties map. Ba 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 da da ba 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 da 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 da.
I'm that one awkward kid in high school that like he's part of the club, but like he just kind of stands there.
He hasn't broken out of his shell yet. Wow.
Character development at its
Wow.
finest.
Singer in a smoky room.
Next joke.
Woo!
I'm gonna stop.
Fuck boys, I'm about to go my fucking wedding. I hate friends. I hate friends.
You guys have no idea what we just said, but
I'm having a baby.
push. Oh fuck!
Oh shit! Oh wow, it's a big one. It's Moby Dick in there, buddy. Oh push.
I can't. I'm falling. I would lift up our cat and do it like the Lion King, but he scares me too much.
Yeah,
To bite me.
he's freaky.
Gotta stop recording.